How to find Bitget wallet address. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first launch your Bitget application, then tap on this menu bar. From here, tap on deposit. Select the crypto of which you want to get the wallet address of. For example, I am selecting this AGB. Then you have to verify your ID, then choose network, and you will see a QR, and from there you can see your wallet address easily. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.